So in the previous video we already covered Jabalpur. So now we will discuss about Narsinghpur, which is come under Jabalpur division. So let's get started. So Narsinghpur is known as highest pulses production. So in MP, which district known for highest pulses production is Narsinghpur. Barhata, it is assumed to be Virat Nagari during Mahabharat age. Bharata is assumed to be a Virat Nagari during Mahabharat age. And the national highway passes NH44 and NH45 and NH547. So here is NH45 and this is NH44 and this is NH547. And the river is Narmada. Only one river flow, that is Narmada, and it is surrounded by 5 districts. So Narsinghpur is surrounded by 5 districts. Remember this point. Now Bachi. In Bachi there is a big statue of Kichak, Jyoteshwar, Pramhansi Ganga Ashram. So Pramhansi Ganga Ashram situated in Jyoteshwar, Narsinghpur. Jyoteshwar and Lodeshwar Shiv Temple and Hanuman Tekri Shivling of Mercury, and Adi Shankaracharya meditated here for some time. So Adi Shankaracharya meditated here for some time in Jyoteshwar. Brahman Ghat, that is Manisi, situated on the bank of Narmada river. So remember this point. Brahman Ghat is situated in Narmada river. Brahma Ji's Yageshala Rani, Durgavati temple, Hathi Darwaza, Varha Murti and Jai Singh Ghat situated near it. Narsinghpur specific fact, centrally situated district. So Narsinghpur is a centrally situated district. Jat king built a temple of Lord Narsingh in Gadaria Kheda, which later on became Narsinghpur. Mythological, archaeological and historical district. So Narsinghpur is a mythological plus archaeological plus historical district. First open defecation free district. So it is very important that in MP which district become a first open defecation free. So it is Narsinghpur. First full literate district in 1992. MP's first teenage prisoner is in Narsinghpur. First in Arhar production in MP. So Arhar production in MP, Narsinghpur is first. First in sugarcane production in MP. Damru Ghati, small shivling replicated in a big shivling. Bohani, Allah Udal's father Jasraj and uncle Bajraj was the king of Bohani. So Allah and Udal's father Jasraj and uncle Bajraj was the king of Bohani during 19th century. Narsinghpur temple, it is in 18th century. Narsingh Bhavan, now which is known as a collectorate office. Fort of Narsingh built by a Jat Sardar. So fort of Narsingh was built by a Jat Sardar. Balhari, Bali palace, place of Raja Bali. Pandavas had found Satghara here, and the Bhimkund and Arjunkund constructed here. So in Bali, Bhimkund and Arjunkund constructed. Shankaracharya ji meditated near Sankal Ghat. Okay. So main attraction of Narsinghpur: Fort of Narsinghpur, Narsingh Temple, Brahman Ghat, Jyoteshwar, Damru Ghati, etc. And the minerals found in Narsinghpur is soapstone, dolomite, fire clay and limestone. Narsinghpur district, it is a centrally located district of MP. Area 5133 square kilometer, population 1092,141, density 213, sex ratio 920, and there are 6 tehsil, that is Narsinghpur, Gotegaon, Kareli, Gadarwala, Tendukheda and Sai Kheda, and there are 6 blocks also, 6 blocks which are all general. So let's move to some multiple choice question of Narsinghpur topic. Which of the following statement is incorrect about Narsinghpur? it is a centrally located district in MP. Yes, it is true. Narsingh Bhavan is a name of collectorate. It is also true. Highest production of arhar. Yes, it is also true. But it is not in a highest production of maize. So answer is first ka C. Barhata is famous for. So Barhata is famous for, it assumed to be Virat Nagari in Mahabharat age. Barhata is famous for Virat Nagari in Mahabharat age. Which of these is situated in Bachi? In Bachi, the Kichak statue was situated. Which of these is not situated in Jyoteshwar? So Bhimkund is not situated in Jyoteshwar. So Bhimkund situated in Balhari. Which of the following statement is incorrect about Jyoteshwar? So Hanuman Tekri, Adi Shankaracharya meditate here. Both of these A and C. So both A and B is incorrect statement. Chaudagarh Fort was built by Raja Sangram Shah. 7th. In which century the fort of Chaudagarh is built? In 15th century. Which of these is situated in Chaudagarh? B. Small Shivling replicated in big Shivling. Remember this. Small Shivling replicated in a big Shivling, which is situated in Chaudagarh. Which of these is not situated in Brahman Ghat, Mani Sagar? So answer D. Bali place is not situated in Brahman Ghat. 10th. When was the great temple of Lord Narsingh built? So it was built in 18th century. Narsingh statue is built by whom? So Narsingh statue built by Jat Sardar. Brahman Ghat is situated on the bank of which river? So it is Narmada, because only one river flow in Narsinghpur, which is Narmada. Which of the following statement is incorrect about Balthari? So answer D. All of these are incorrect statement. Means a place of Raja Bali. Pandav has found Satdhara here, and Bhimkund, Arjunkund situated here. So all these are correct, but in question it is asked that which statement is incorrect about a Balthari. But all these are correct, so that's why we will choose answer D, that all of these. Narsinghpur is first in which crop production of MP? So it is arhar. Remember, Narsinghpur is first in which crop production is arhar.